Ashley Rosebrook, and I'm one of the principals of Rosebrook Meyer, which is a high-end wedding invitation, primarily wedding invitation company that is online and solely digital print-based. As designers, we were familiar with digital printing, but we hadn't seen the level of quality we were looking for. Once we hooked up with the right printer who really took the time to show us different examples of the same design printed on different machinery, on different substrates, we were really blown away. We saw some pieces that were almost like art books, and that's what sold us on digital print. Designers are very tactile people, and we need to see and feel, we need to see and touch things, and that was the proof, seeing it. And I think printers could really develop a toolkit to have those tools that they can bring with them when they're speaking to designers, so the designers can touch and feel them, and see the results of this technology. So what's the best way for printers to convince designers to use digital print? I think it's very important for printers to remember and understand that there are many designers out there who are great designers, but they don't know about this technology. They just don't understand it or haven't been exposed to it, whether they've always worked in offset or letterpress or some other printing technique. So I think the toolkit is imperative. They need to touch and feel things. Designers are very tactile people, clearly. So they need to see the quality. That's the first and most important component. The second component is really explaining to them what it can do, the minimums, how you can do much smaller runs of things. You can be more strategic, you can target individuals. If designers do know about digital print technology, many of them may think of it as something very mass market, for the mailers they receive as junk mail. So it's important to show something very high quality, on high quality papers, maybe getting samples from your partner paper company. It's important to show high quality samples because they need to be surprised by digital technology. They need to see something that they're not expecting, and that's when you really get the designer's attention, and then you tell them what it can do in terms of the strategy of how they're thinking about their design, and then that kind of closes the deal.